Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Fan Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen short wheelbase panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This van is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a quick walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. You'll also notice in the lower part of the bumper front fog lights and front parking sensors. The centre grille has two nice chrome strips. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Both the front and the rear have mud flaps. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice that the mirrors are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. This is ideal for when you leave the van on a busy road and also for cold winter months. To this side, you will notice a manual sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As I move the video around, you will notice factory fitted panelling. You'll also notice that the van is clean and free from damage. To the back of the Transporter, you will notice rear barn doors without window. Moving across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. To the back of the Transporter, you will notice standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a rear camera. It's also fitted with a Transporter badge and a VW emblem on the rear doors. If you would like to protect the rear load area from damage, you could ask a member of the sales team for a quote on Wood Ply-lining. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Here we have a detachable tow bar. On both doors, you will see these door release catches, and this is the advantage of the catch. This van is painted in pure grey, which is a solid paint, and now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we move to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead and also 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. You'll also notice the driver has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. This now finishes my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you will see mirror and electric window controls. Down here you will see the automatic headlight switch. To this side of the steering wheel you will see multimedia switches. To this side you will see cruise control. This van has covered 15 delivery miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, I'd like to show you that you can change radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and also one of my downloaded music apps. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this van is fitted with a reverse camera. It's also fitted with park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. The passenger and the driver's seats are heated. As you can see, they're easy to adjust. Moving over here, you will notice the temperature control switch. This fan is also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the automatic gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen short wheelbase panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 71 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.